To set up a predefined alert, open the Alerts Management window from the Administration menu. The window opens in Find mode. Enter the wildcard character and press Enter. The system shows the list of alerts and whether an alert is active. If you have defined user-defined alerts, they will show in this window too. For this demo, we want to notify the sales manager whenever someone adds a document with a gross profit below a certain percentage. We double-click the alert row. We select the users who should receive the alert and the mechanisms for sending that alert. Jason Butler wants an internal notification. The sales manager, Jim Boswick, wants both an internal notification and an email message. Next, we select the types of documents for the alert. We choose sales quotations, sales orders, and AR invoices. We set the gross profit as 32% on the Conditions tab. An alert will be issued when a user adds one of the selected sales documents with a calculated gross profit under 32%. We can optionally choose the priority for displaying the alert. We'll set it to High. Finally, remember to activate the alert. If an alert does not trigger when you test it, check that the alert is active. If you temporarily need to disable an alert, you can just uncheck the checkbox. We will now test the alert by creating a sales order. We enter the required information in the sales order: the customer, the delivery date, and the items. We change the price in the order so that the gross profit is reduced. Now we will check that we have set the gross profit below 32%. The document will be created normally even though the gross profit is below the specified limit. When we add this document, an alert will be issued. The alert message appears in the Messages Alerts Overview window. As you can see, this alert has a high priority. By selecting the alert, we can see a link to the actual document and the gross profit percentage. As a recipient, we can now react to the alert. We can forward the alert to another user using one of the notification mechanisms. Or we can send a reply back to the person who created the document. After you've reacted to the alert, you can delete it from your inbox. The setup for Messages Alerts Overview window is done in the General settings. On the Services tab, if you select this checkbox, the Messages Alerts window will automatically open when an alert is received. This checkbox setting only applies to the current user. Additionally, you can set a value in minutes to define how often the system checks your inbox for new alerts. Here we have set the value to 0, which means there is no delay in checking for new alert messages, so the window opens immediately. The setting also applies only to the current user. Alerts can also be displayed in the user's cockpit if you enable the cockpit and add the Messages and Alerts widget to the cockpit. We can see this by switching to a different user session. Here, the same alert appears in the cockpit. When the user double-clicks the message, the Messages Alerts Overview window appears.